While researchers and scientists spend billions of dollars every single year on fighting and preventing cancer, one small underground creature has already solved the problem millions of years ago. Of course, I'm talking about the naked mole rat. And you would figure that a small little rat wouldn't really live that long. Well, there's something called Peto's paradox that states that no matter how big the animal is, no matter how small the animal is, or how long the animal lives, Peto's paradox states that that is irrelevant when it comes to cancer. So how do naked mole rats live 10 times longer than their cousin mice? Well, you have to understand how cancer works in the first place. And what it is just a mutation of the cells. It's just a consistent replication of cells. So you have a DNA that is damaged and it tells the cells to replicate, and it keeps replicating. The DNA of these naked mole rats have something called contact inhibition. So it tells these cells to stop replicating and stop multiplying when they get too crowded and when they get too close to each other. So it does this through two genes, P16 and P27. And so when one gene stops working, the other one has the ability to communicate to these cells to stop replicating. So it has two of these things. Now, these genes aren't to be confused with P53, which is found a lot in elephants and is a reason why elephants don't really die of cancer, because that P53 gene suppresses those tumor cells and prevents them from growing. In addition to all these cool superpowers that the naked mole rat has, it also has something called hyaluronan, which reduces free radicals and helps the body from damaging itself. And it also helps strengthen the tissues and DNA. As you can tell, we have a lot to learn about our little friends, the naked mole rat. And I will say that they are probably trying to tell us this old Chinese wartime saying that says, do not attack the enemy's strengths, attack its weaknesses, because you'll get a lot farther that way. Leave a comment, guys. Let me know what you think about these style videos. Could we possibly inject P53 in our bodies so that we can suppress tumor cells? I'm not too sure, guys. Until the next video, thanks for watching.